Welcome back to RV Deep Dive, the channel where we explore the world's most fascinating motorhomes, RVs, and luxury homes on wheels. And today, I have something truly unbelievable to share with you. What happens when one of the world's most prestigious hypercar brands takes its design philosophy, its passion for speed, and its obsession with detail, and pours all of that into a motorhome? Well, the result is something that sounds almost too wild to be true. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. A Bugatti Motorhome, combining hypercar performance with five-star luxury living. Buckle up because this is not just another RV review. This is the future of motorhome design, and it might just be the most extravagant vehicle we've ever featured on this channel. So let's start by stepping outside and taking a look at this masterpiece from the outside. The very first thing you'll notice is the unmistakable Bugatti DNA. The front fascia immediately brings to mind the iconic horseshoe grille, that rounded, almost jewel-like opening that has defined Bugatti hypercars for decades, from the Veyron to the Chiron to the Mistral. Now imagine that signature grille, but scaled up, perfectly proportioned to fit a massive luxury motorhome. It's finished in polished aluminum with a glowing Bugatti emblem right in the center, a detail that reminds you this isn't just a motorhome, it's a hypercar at heart. Flanking that grille are ultra-sleek LED matrix headlights, inspired directly by the Chiron Supersport. These lights aren't just functional, they're sculptural, stretching back into the aerodynamic bodywork and giving the entire vehicle a futuristic, almost spacecraft-like presence. And yes, they're adaptive LEDs, capable of automatically adjusting for oncoming traffic, bending with the curves of the road, and even projecting animated welcome sequences when you approach the vehicle. Now, let's talk about the overall design language. Bugatti is all about fluid aerodynamics, and this motorhome doesn't disappoint. The body is sculpted from lightweight carbon fiber panels, with flowing curves that look more like a yacht than an RV. From a swooping roofline to the muscular haunches over the rear wheels, this motorhome looks like it's moving at 200 miles an hour, even when it's parked. And those wheels? They're custom-designed 26-inch forged aluminum wheels, inspired by the ones found on the Bugatti Bolide, with low-profile Michelin tires that are specially engineered to handle the weight of this behemoth, while still delivering hypercar-level grip and performance. Along the sides, you'll find retractable aerodynamic fins that not only improve stability at highway speeds, but also serve as stylistic nods to Bugatti's motorsport heritage. And here's a detail you might miss at first glance. Integrated into those fins are hidden storage compartments, which open with a touch of a button. Bugatti has designed these so seamlessly that they don't break the elegant silhouette of the vehicle at all. You get external storage for gear, chairs, and outdoor equipment without any bulky handles or awkward lines. Above, the roofline houses something extraordinary, deployable solar panels that unfold like wings when a vehicle is parked. These aren't your average solar panels. They're Bugatti-engineered lightweight composites, capable of generating enough power to run the entire motorhome in eco mode, including the kitchen, entertainment systems, and climate control. And for those who like to relax outdoors, the side of the Bugatti Motorhome features a fully automated awning system. With a single touch on the Bugatti mobile app, carbon fiber arms extend, revealing a weatherproof canopy embedded with LED strips, creating the perfect outdoor lounge space. At the rear, the design cues from Bugatti's hypercars are unmistakable. You've got a full-width LED taillight bar that looks like it was lifted straight from the Chiron, glowing in a striking red signature pattern. And right beneath it, a functional diffuser. Yes, an aerodynamic diffuser on a motorhome. This not only improves airflow and stability, but also houses the quad exhaust outlets, finished in titanium. Because let's face it, no Bugatti, even a motorhome, would be complete without an exhaust note that sends chills down your spine. To the right, the center console flows elegantly into the cabin, trimmed in polished aluminum and piano black finishes. Crystal rotary knobs control the drive modes, allowing you to switch between comfort, sport, and even track mode. Yes, this motorhome has a track mode. The seats up front are heated, ventilated, and feature Bugatti's signature diamond quilting in fine leather, customizable in any color combination you can dream of. Move further back, and the space opens up into a living area that's nothing short of breathtaking. The walls are lined with hand-stitched leather panels, accented with polished wood veneers and brushed aluminum trim. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, customizable in 64 different colors to match your mood. The lounge area features a pair of reclining leather sofas that can transform into beds if needed, complete with integrated massage functions and retractable footrests. Opposite the sofas, a massive 85-inch 8K OLED television rises silently from a hidden compartment, turning the lounge into a private cinema at the touch of a button. Now, let's head into the kitchen area, and let me tell you, this is not your typical RV kitchenette. The Bugatti Motorhome kitchen is designed like a gourmet chef's workspace. You've got marble countertops with embedded induction cooktops, a touch-controlled smart oven, and a built-in espresso machine crafted by none other than Bugatti's luxury appliance partners. The cabinets open with a soft push, revealing organized storage with LED lighting. And the refrigerator is a double-door, stainless steel design with a hidden Bugatti logo that illuminates when you open it. Everything here screams luxury, but it's also functional. Adjacent to the kitchen is a dining area with a handcrafted table made of carbon fiber and polished walnut, surrounded by 4 ergonomically designed chairs upholstered in Italian leather. This dining space can transform into an additional workstation if you need to work remotely while traveling, with hidden charging ports, wireless charging pads, and even satellite internet built into the ceiling panels. Moving further back, you reach the master suite, and this is where the Bugatti Motorhome truly feels like a 5-star hotel. The bedroom features a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, upholstered in Bugatti's iconic two-tone leather and accented with ambient lighting around the base. Above you, a panoramic skylight stretches the entire width of the ceiling, giving you a breathtaking view of the night sky. With the push of a button, blackout shades glide into place for complete privacy. On either side of the bed, you've got nightstands with wireless charging, built-in touch panels for controlling lights and temperature, and hidden compartments for valuables. The storage here is impeccable. Full-height wardrobes with LED strip lighting open to reveal more than enough room for designer clothing, shoes, and travel essentials. There's even a built-in safe with biometric fingerprint access. And of course, no Bugatti would be complete without a dedicated space for watches and jewelry. So there's a velvet-lined drawer for exactly that. Now let's step into the bathroom. And this is where the Bugatti Motorhome really flexes its luxury muscles. You've got a full-size rainfall shower lined with marble tiles, a digital touch control system for water temperature and pressure, and even a built-in aromatherapy function. The sink is a sculpted piece of glass art, illuminated from beneath, and the toilet is a fully automated Japanese design with every comfort imaginable. Soft closed doors, heated seating, and integrated bidet functions make this bathroom more luxurious than what you'll find in many 5-star hotels. So we've seen the exterior, we've explored the interior, but this is a Bugatti. Performance is everything. Underneath this luxurious rolling mansion is a powertrain that pushes the boundaries of what a motorhome can do. The Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a hybrid system that combines Bugatti's legendary quad-turbocharged W16 engine with advanced electric motors. Together, they deliver a jaw-dropping 2,000 horsepower. That's right, 2,000 horsepower in a motorhome. This means that despite weighing significantly more than a hypercar, the Bugatti Motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. It has a top speed, electronically limited, of 155 miles per hour. That makes it the fastest motorhome ever built. But Bugatti didn't stop at speed. The chassis is an engineering marvel, with adaptive suspension that adjusts to road conditions in milliseconds. Whether you're cruising on the highway, climbing mountain passes, or pulling into a campsite, the ride is buttery smooth. Four-wheel steering ensures that this massive vehicle can maneuver like something half its size, and advanced ceramic brakes provide stopping power that's nothing short of incredible. Of course, the Bugatti Motorhome also embraces sustainability. In electric-only mode, it can travel up to 150 miles, perfect for short trips or eco-conscious camping. The onboard solar panels supplement charging, and Bugatti has even integrated regenerative braking into the system to maximize efficiency. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a glimpse into the future of luxury, high-performance travel. Now, let's talk about the price, because you're probably wondering how much this rolling palace of speed and luxury would cost. While Bugatti hasn't officially announced a price tag, industry insiders estimate that the Bugatti Motorhome would start at around $3 million, with fully customized versions pushing closer to $5 million. That's more expensive than many mansions. But when you consider what you're getting, hypercar performance, 5-star living, and Bugatti craftsmanship for the world's elite, it's a statement piece unlike anything else on the road. And yes, if you're wondering how you could buy one, the process would likely be as exclusive as owning a Bugatti hypercar. Orders would only be taken directly through Bugatti's private concierge service, with potential buyers hand-selected and invited to configure their vehicles at the Bugatti Design Studio in Molsheim, France. Each motorhome would be bespoke, built to the exact specifications of its owner, ensuring that no two are alike. So there you have it, the Bugatti Motorhome, a breathtaking blend of hypercar performance and 5-star luxury living, wrapped in an exterior that could turn every head on the highway. It's not just transportation. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and perhaps the ultimate symbol of automotive success. Would you buy one if you had the chance? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to RV Deep Dive for more deep dives in the most incredible motorhomes on the planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.